Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Stanley Ka Kitchen. Here I am once again in front of you all to present my new video, that is fish or fillet. So today I'm going to prepare fish or fillet for all of you, all the non-vegetarian lovers out there. I hope you will love this dish, and first of all I would like to say yes, I am very fortunate that I've got such a huge fan following, or you can say I have a lot of people who are supporting me, who are my true friends, who are actually giving me their love and affection through their comments or through their subscription. And I would definitely try my best to put all the videos on time. I could not upload videos just because I was also busy with my work. So yes, once again I am presenting this video just for all the non-vegetarian lovers, and hopefully in the coming days I'll prepare a vegetarian dish for you all. So please stay tuned to my channel and let's get started with my dish, that is fish or fillet. Thank you guys. So guys, welcome to Stanley's Ka Kitchen. Now I'll show you the process of marination. This is 500 grams fish or fillet. Then we have Indian spices, that's 1 tablespoon. Ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Red chili powder, 1 tablespoon. Turmeric, I have taken half teaspoon. And salt as per your taste. So let's begin for the marination process. So guys, you can have a look. My marination is almost done. I'll keep it for 10 to 15 minutes aside, and then we'll move on to the next method, that will be frying. See, so well coated the marination. Now the next method is frying our fish or fillet. As you can see, here is my marinated fish or fillet almost ready. So what I'll do is my spoon of 4 to 5 cooking oil is almost heated. I'll fry the fish both the sides slowly, one by one. You need to be very careful. Put it on high flame. So guys, here's a tip for you. Make sure that you put the gas stove on high flame so that the fish do not stick with each other. Now fry the fish both sides until you see them turning into golden brown. Ensure that the fish is cooked thoroughly. Now we'll transfer the fish one by one onto the plate. Third and last step would be making gravy. So we require following ingredients, as you can see in the video. This is 2 cardamom, then we got fenugreek seed, cumin seed, and then mustard seed. On the veggie side, we have 2 large size finely chopped onion, 3 medium sized tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic. Then we have 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, half tablespoon of hot turmeric. Then we have 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, salt as per your taste, and I've got coconut powder. I'm going to use the same oil in which I have fried my fish. So I'll add the spices and the herbs in the oil. Let the spices sizzle a little bit on high flame. Now when the spice sizzles, add 2 large onions and saute. Saute the onions for few minutes until it gets golden brown. Now as you can see, it has turned golden brown. So what we will do is we will add our ginger garlic paste into the wok and saute it for 3 to 4 minutes on high flame. Red chili powder, that's 1 tablespoon. Then we'll add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala, and then half teaspoon turmeric. Now we will add tomato as well. Lastly, we add salt in it, around 1 teaspoon, and then mix it well along with the paste. As you can see, the oil has separated from its paste. So what I'll do is, I've got coconut powder. I'll add 2 tablespoons in the paste and mix it well. See, now I will add 1 cup of water and pour in the paste. It will enhance the volume of the gravy. As you can see, look the color of my gravy. You can slowly mix it and then cover it for around 10 minutes. After a few minutes, we will check our gravy. I think the gravy is almost done. So what I'll do is, I'll put my fish into the gravy one by one. So guys, if you want thick gravy, you can keep it as it is. But I would like to use half cup of water because I need to add volume into my gravy. Now we'll mix it, but don't break the fish because it's already tender. Now on high flame, we'll cover the lid for 5 to 7 minutes. After 5 minutes, we will check the gravy. The aroma. So guys, it's almost ready now. So I'll transfer the gravy along with the fish fillet into our serving plate. Stove. We'll switch off the gas stove now. Now you can garnish your fish or fillet with coriander leaves and green chili. Now you can see our tasty, yummy Indian fish masala curry is ready. You can serve it with steamed rice or homemade chapati. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you do enjoy watching my video, then do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, that is Sanlika Kitchen, and please share this video with your friends and family. Do shower your love and blessing through your comments, and do subscribe once again, I would say, to my channel. And also I would request everyone out there to stay at home and be safe during this quarantine although it is unlocked time period. However, I would like to advise everyone to be safe, wear your mask, and do enjoy my Stanley Kitchen. Enjoy my exciting new recipes with your friends and family. And until then, stay tuned. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell for my upcoming latest video. Stay tuned to my Stanley Kitchen. Bye for now.